Welcome to this first section of our What's New for 2024 in SOLIDWORKS. My name is Ed Hawkins, and over the next few minutes I will take you through some of the improvements to the SOLIDWORKS user experience. So let's first view some new option settings in SOLIDWORKS 2024 that will accelerate and enhance your user experience. Firstly, if you are displaying your components in wireframe view or presenting your component colors in HLR, HLV mode, you can now use your GPU hardware to improve the display of silhouette edges. To enable this option, we can open our options menu, and on the System Options tab, we can select Performance. Finally, at the bottom of the page, we can activate the hardware accelerated silhouette edges. This option will help you accelerate the display performance of your models. Another great feature added to SOLIDWORKS 2024 is that now you can select which coordinate system to use as your origin when saving an assembly or a part file as a step. To do this, we will open the Save As dialog box and select the step file type. You can notice that a new drop-down menu has appeared where we can select which coordinate system to use as the origin for the new save part. A nice improvement to the shortcut menu for Hide and Show is that if you select a combination of hidden and visible entities, like these sketches, planes and coordinate systems, we would only see the Show option. But in 2024, we see both Hide and Show, meaning we can change the visibility state of all of the selected entities. A small but welcome improvement. Let's apply material to this part for an accurate weight calculation. In previous releases, if we were browsing the material library, we would need to use the Apply Material button at the bottom of the dialog box. In 2024, we can just double-click the material and it will be applied to the part. A nice time saver. Looking back, we've seen a new option for hardware accelerated silhouette edges, giving us great performance gains over previous releases. We also saw how we can choose which coordinate system to use when saving neutral file types. The behaviour of Hide and Show has improved to give us more control when selecting entities at different visibility states, and selecting materials has got a bit faster with the ability to double click to apply to your part. We didn't look at this, but you can now just drop a shortcut to a SOLIDWORKS file directly into SOLIDWORKS and it will open the file. Thanks for watching, and look out for our next video on what's new for parts and features in SOLIDWORKS 2024.